Hey guys, I'm Dimitri and today we're going to learn the hot shot separation. It's a pretty easy move if you already know the hot shot, so let's get into it. So you're going to start by getting into hot shot cuts. If you don't know how to get into hot shot cuts, I suggest you watch the School of Cardistry tutorial. So once you're here, you have your index touching these cards. You're going to bend your index a little bit so that the cards goes in a little further, so that you can grab the card with your middle finger here. So you're in this position. So when you let go with those three fingers and you extend those two fingers, it's going to make this packet, top packet, flip 360. So here, you let go and you catch. Now you can twirl this card a little bit. An easy way to do it is just to cross the fingers like this a little bit, uncross them and bring them back. So you're in this position, and now with the thumb, you gotta put it under the deck, just like this. So again, hot shot, grab the card, flip, twist this card, put it back, then do whatever you want in both hands. You can just close it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check me out on Instagram at Cardistry Touch. Also check out our website cardistrytouch.com. We have plenty of cool stuff there. Thanks to School of Cardistry for doing this with us. Peace.